the left leg straight up back, trying not to open up to the side. So go ahead and come out of your current stretch and begin to lower into it once again. In the video, I am showing you how I stretch over splits using a block under the front foot. If you are within a couple inches, I'd say 2 to 3 inches from the floor, over splits can be a great way to get yourself all the way flat to the floor. I'll go ahead and show oversplit on the other side. As always, continue to move, take breaks whenever you need. Stretching is a very slow process, almost forces you to tune into your body, tune into your breath, and focus on the action at hand. Stretching can become very meditational for a lot of people. Option to bend into the back knee, reach for the back foot in a split for extra oomph in the quad.